Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. So, y'all, I am getting ready to go to the Essence Festival. I am going there to support my old housemate, Riah Safari, and her business is called Imani Cowrie. She makes 3D printed earrings. You have to go check them out. I will leave the link down below. So in order to accentuate the earrings, of course, I need to put my hair up. Yes, baby, you see the length. So today I decided to do top bun with bangs. I've never done bangs before, so that's essentially what this whole video is about. It's about my bang yangs, okay? So just sit back, relax, and stay tuned. As you saw, I did spray my hair down first because my hair was a little dry right now. I actually need to wash my hair and I slick need to retwist, but it's all good. But anyway, the first thing I'm doing is I'm sectioning out my bangs. So how many locks do I want in my bang? Like how thick do I want it to be? How thin do I want it to be? And I'm going to put the rest of the hair up essentially. Alrighty, so now that I got the rest of the hair out the way, now it's time to actually measure my bang. Like, how long do I want it? I want to still be able to see, but I still want a little length. You know what I mean? So right now, I'm just trying to I'm evening them out to see, like, all right, do I want a straight bang? But with my locks, it ain't ever going to be really straight. But anyway, I feel like I have a good length as to where I want my bangs, right? So as you see, I took off my extra hair and I made a ponytail. So I'm taking all of my locks, the length of my locks, and I folded it over, and now I'm including my locks in that ponytail holder so it could be set. So now it's not going anywhere. It can move, but it won't move because that's essentially the length that I wanted. Yeah, I'm just running my mouth. I don't think we're running late by this time in this video. No, we actually pretty much on time. But now that I have the length of my bangs and now the bangs are set in place because I've included them in that extra hair tie, I am now taking the remainder of my ponytail and I am wrapping it around so it can be included in my bun. And then it'll also cover those locks that are in my bangs. And it's already coming together. I don't know if you can tell it or not, but it is, baby. And you know, it wouldn't be my video if I did not include a hairnet. And I think in this video, I'm actually going to put on 2 hairnets just because we are going to the Essence Festival. And I know it's just going to be a lot of moving and shaking. And I do not need this button to come undone. Because who got time to put it back up? Not me. And by this point of the video, I had some locks that that ended up being a little longer than I expected. So instead of having like a straight across bang, I decided to do like a couple of locks longer on each side, which is still cute to like kind of frame my face, but not so much, but essentially frame my face. Now for this, you definitely need a hair tie. That little one bobby pin I put in was not going to keep that bun up, and neither was that one hairnet. So you need a couple bobby pins. I've used 2 hairnets that may have been a little over excessive, but it's what I wanted to use. And you're going to need a good hair tie.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't
Baby, that bun looks good. Okay.
usual, rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for you. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna say it. I wanna say it. Hello, stranger. Babe's been
Y'all, this scarf added the razzle dazzle that I needed. Thanks to Miss Donique. She actually made these hair scarves. And I look good. This is what I needed to set off the entire hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me see y'all bangs, because mine look good. Do yours? Y'all have a blessed week, a safe week. Peace, y'all. Peace.